During the last sway going to the right, lady is going to rotate clockwise, man is raising the left hand, lady starts with the right foot. 1, 2, and then side step on the 3. A very important thing for the lady during the rotations and spins is to keep moving your body weight from one leg to another. On the right leg, on the left leg, away on the right one. Remember about taking small steps. For the man, in this part, we're also just switching the body weight, leading the rotation of the lady, starting on the left leg, raising your hand, and then switching to right leg. Wait for the partner on the right leg, switch the hands, and then together at the same time go away from each other. Every time you're going to do an opening like this, because it's going to repeat, remember to slightly bend your knees while doing this. You're first bending the knee, then pushing away from each other, ending up on the opposite leg with also bent knee. Keep your knees relaxed. This will assure that it looks fluent and easy. Okay, we're away from each other. Now lady is going to get back to the partner, rotating counterclockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, taking 4 steps, ending in front of your partner. Remember to take small steps and switch your body weight from one leg to another, then place your hands on the partner's shoulders. For the man, you're going to transfer your body weight on the right leg, connect your feet and wait for your partner, then embrace her, place your hands on her waist. The next part is the dip. Man is standing on the right leg and reaching with the left leg to the side. Bend your knee slightly and then transfer your body weight on the left leg with the bent knee, and then straighten your hands a little bit to let your partner go deeper into the pose. Remember not to lean over the lady. You want to keep your back straight and then extend your hands and bend your knee. Go more into the squat to get the partner deeper into the pose. For the ladies, you ended up in front of the partner. You're switching the body weight on the right leg while rotating, ending up side to your partner. Now bend your right knee. Keep your hips high. Avoid the feeling like you're sitting down. Keep the hips high and tilt your upper body backward. Try to stay within your own balance as much as you can. Don't lean on your partner too much.